Yeah, so history of Tableau. First of all, it is our responsibility to know who invented this, when exactly it has came into the world like that. So here we have to know about the three persons called Chris, Pat, and Chabot. These three are the professors in Stanford University. So in 1990, the market is led by OBIE only for reporting. The only one tool is there in the world, that is OBIE, Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition. So that OBIE can be used by experts only. So who have extreme knowledge on Excel, this SQL, those only can work on this OBIE. Then these three persons got some idea. Without having that much of SQL knowledge, without writing that much of SQL code or queries, can't we create any reports? Then they got started their research in 1990. After 14 years of their research, in 2004, they came up with one language called as VSQL. First, they have came up with one language, not with any tool, that is VSQL. And at that time, nobody accepted Tableau as a reporting tool. This VSQL is not at all accepted by anybody there. That means it is an utter failure. After 2 or 3 years, they came up with one new thing that is called as Tableau 4.0. Tableau 4.x. Just they have renamed their software to Tableau. So the earlier name of our Tableau is VSQL only. Now they have changed the name and they have maintained that language internally in the tool. Right? So when they got Tableau 4 now, again failure. Tableau 5, failure only. Tableau 6, failure only. In around 2007, they came up with Tableau 8. This is the first success they have seen. The most popular and successful version of Tableau is Tableau 8.3. Right now also so many people are using Tableau 8.3 only. That much of a success it has tasted first. And after some years, they are keep on updating their software. So their R&D is going very well. They came up with so many versions, 8.2, 8.3, 8.4 like that, and they came up with 9 also, 9.0, 9.1, 9.2, 9.3 like that. And right now the most standard version is 9.3. Standard means so many people are using that thing now. Standard version is Tableau 9.3. But the latest version is Tableau 10.2. Latest version is Tableau 10.2. But so many people are using Tableau 9.3 only, because in the companies, when exactly the new version is released, they won't go with updation very quickly. They have to check so many things, whether it is working all functionalities or not. Everything they have to go with the pros and cons. Then only they can update their software, right? So the most stable version is 9, and the most latest version is Tableau 10.2, and 10.3 build also released. That is not at all a version. Maybe in the next month we may get 10.3 also. I think so. But here we are going to see every concept on Tableau 9.3 only. And when exactly the concept is somewhat changing, then we go with all the versions 8, 9 and 10. Why? Because if you are going with 2 plus of experience, 3 plus of experience now, you can't say that I am working on 10 only from last 3 years. Why? Because 10 is released in this year only. Right? So that it is better to have some knowledge on 8, 9, 10 also. We will see only one particular version, but when exactly the changes occur, then we go with all the versions. I will show you how exactly this concept in 8, how exactly this concept is 9, in 10, like that. But generally, we will go with the Tableau 10 or 9. That's it. Right? So, after seeing this Tableau history, what exactly the meaning of Tableau? Tableau is a Greek word. Right? The meaning of the Greek word tableau is a picture. From Greek language, they have inherited this word. Right? The meaning of tableau is a picture. Right? And then from starting onwards, I am saying tableau, 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 right? Actually, this is not tableau. We are going to learn about Tableau desktop. Right? So actually, Tableau is having some components. The first and foremost important component of Tableau is Tableau Desktop, what we are going to see in our entire course. And the second one is Tableau Server. Third one, Tableau Online. And fourth one, Public, Tableau Public. Fifth one, Tableau Reader. And the sixth one, Tableau Mobile. These are the components of Tableau. But here we are going to learn about Tableau Desktop 100% here. Why? Because of what I told you, you can use Tableau to do three things: connecting with data, creating visualization, and reporting. All these three things will be done from Tableau Desktop only. And Tableau Server, in the sense, that is admin related thing. Admin. So there will be only one admin in the company. Number of developers will be there. Yes, we are the Tableau Desktop developers. And those who are working on Tableau Server, they are called as admin. But for any company, there will be only one admin. He has the responsibilities of adding the users, assigning the roles for the users, and giving the permissions to access the server, saving the data into server, distribute the data from the server. All these responsibilities will be taken by the Tableau admin by using Tableau Server. But we don't have servers here. But I will show you 10% of Tableau Server here. That means how to log in into server, how to get the data from the server, how to save your data to the server. All these basic concepts we will cover over this server. But we are not going with full server here. First only I am saying it is impossible. Why? Because server is not at all a classroom subject. Right? And Tableau Online, in the sense, Tableau Online is also Tableau Desktop. But you can access this Tableau Desktop software from the cloud. Tableau Desktop, in the sense, you can download in your system, you can use it. Tableau Online, in the sense, you don't need to download. By using the cloud, you can connect with your system, you can do it. Apart from these six, these three are the commercial things. That means licensed one. You have to purchase the license to use Tableau Desktop server or online. Right? But you can download Tableau Desktop for free for 14 days of trial version, and then I will provide the key for you so that you will get 1 year access. That is our responsibility. I will create it and I will give it to you. No problem about that. So both are same. If you are downloading, if you are having your software in your system, that is called as Tableau Desktop. But Tableau desktop is somewhere in the cloud. You are connecting from there into your system. Then that is called as a Tableau online. You are using the desktop from a web. That is called Tableau online. That's it.
Online is like cloud.
Yes.
Desktop is normal.
Normal. That's it. Generally, those people who work from home now, online will be the helpful thing. That's it. Right? And coming to Tableau Public. Tableau Public is simply I can say it is as a local server. Something like your Facebook account or Gmail account. What exactly the photos, what exactly the videos you are capturing now, you can save them in your Google Drive or Facebook account, right? So same thing here. You are not having that much of amount to purchase a server. Okay, by using this Tableau Public, you can save your work into the public only. That is for free. You don't need to pay anything. Yeah, by default it will give you, I think, 10 GB of space, I think so. So that you can save your work into that. Small companies will use this thing only. And Tableau Reader. Tableau Reader in the sense, suppose you are my client, you have given me a project to me and I have created so many reports. I send it to you. And I am asking you, hey, you want to see the reports, you must have to purchase a license of Tableau, then only you can see. As a client, are you ready to purchase a license of any software? No, you will say, why should I purchase a license? I am not using the Tableau software, just I want to see it. Why should I purchase? For that one only Tableau Reader is coming into the picture. By using Tableau Reader, just you can read, anybody can read the reports without having Tableau software in your system. That is like a web page, that's it generally. And Tableau Mobile in the sense, it is also a reader, but in the mobile.
Like read access
Yes.
to the app type of.
Yes. I said that mobile access is there now, that is this one. If you read in the PC, that is Tableau Reader. If you read in the mobile, that is Tableau Mobile, that's it. So, desktop and online both are same. Public and, reader and mobile both are same. Public and online also both are same. But that is a licensed one, this is a free one. But actually, our entire course will be in Tableau desktop only. Here we are going to cover 100% of Tableau desktop. And here we are going to cover just 10% of Tableau server. How to log in, how to save your data, how to get the data. That's it. Clear? So these are the Tableau components. Now let us go with how to get this Tableau software into our system. For that one, you are having one website. Before that, I want to say one more point, sir. Tableau is itself, it is an incorporation. Tableau is not under any other company. Something like Java is under Oracle like that. Tableau is an individual incorporation. So it is having its own website, tableau.com. Right? So here, whenever you open this tableau.com, here it will ask for try now. By default, it will download Tableau desktop only. Okay, so if you click on this try now, it will ask for your mail ID first. It will ask business mail ID, no problem, you can give your personal mail ID. Just enter your mail ID and click on download free trial so that you will get one application file that will be around 250 MB or 300 MB, I think so. So after downloading, you will get like this. Yes, here. Tableau desktop executable file you will get. So if you download it and after downloading, just you can double click on it. Just click on next to finish. Every software will be installed like that only. Double click on next to finish. Before clicking finish here, it will ask for your first name, last name, your country name, your pin code, your phone number, your designation. Designation ante just you can go with data analyst, and your organization just go with iGlobal. And what is your department? Go with IT software. Give accordingly and click on register. Yes, now you will get 14 days of trial version, and then you will get a shortcut key on the desktop like this. Here. Right? If you click on that thing, you will be opening the Tableau software. Yeah, by default it will download 10.2, not 9.3. You will get the latest version by default. Okay, so you will get the latest version 10.2 if you download it. And I have 9.3 and 8.3 also in my system. Yes, you can download it. For that one, Tableau alternative downloads website is there. There you can download any version. Let me show you that thing also.
Previous to this one, I have already downloaded this 14 days for a free one thing. Before 20 days, I guess. Now 14 days have been completed, right? So
Install it. Uninstall it, use under mail ID. You will get it, no problem. And right now, same ID you won't get. It is having somewhat brain, right? So if you download right now, within 14 days I will provide the key for you, so that you will get a 1 year warranty. Okay. And here, how to download the previous versions of Tableau, in the sense, go with the Tableau alternate download. Just search in that. Yes, alternate download site for Tableau software. Just open that link. Here you will have all the versions of Tableau. If you open this web page, here you will get all the versions of Tableau. See, from Tableau 10.2, are you getting here? Version 10.2, version 10.1, 10.0, and you can download Tableau software in just 2 operating systems only, either Windows or Mac. Mac in the sense, Apple. On Linux it is not possible. Only Windows, Mac. These two only. Just you can search here. Tableau desktop for Windows installer, for Mac install. Render outside. Mac or Windows, that's it. Yes. Windows and Mac, that's it. Right? So after 10 you will get 9 also here. Yes, 9.3. You can download it now. If your laptop is 32-bit, go with 32-bit. If your laptop is 64-bit, go for 64-bit. How do you know your system is 32-bit or for 64-bit? Yes, go to My Computer, click on, right click on there, go to Properties, there you will see 32-bit or 62-bit. According to that, you can go with 64 or 32-bit and you can download it. Same procedure. And if you go down, you will have 8.3 also. So 9.1 or 9.0. Yes, 8.3. So you can download this one also. Right? So like this, you can go with downloading your own versions. Yes, 2014 we got Tableau 8. 9 వచ్చేసి 15 అనుకుంటండి, 15లో ఉంటుంది. No, 15 June. Yes, 8.3 is in 2014 it has released. That's why I'm saying go with 3 years of experience on one Tableau.
8.3, 9.3, 10.3.
That's it. If you wanna go Tableau 7 also, you can go with it. Right? Right. So like this you can get your all the versions. And if you use one key, it will be for all the versions. So if you are maintaining 3 versions, suppose in my system right now I am having 3 versions now. For all these 3 versions, one key is enough. If I activate one version, automatically remaining all versions will be activated. You don't need to maintain different keys for different versions. One key is enough for all the versions. Clear? Right, after downloading and installing your Tableau, you will get like this. Just you can open that thing. Yes. As I told you, first Tableau will look for connecting with the data. Without connecting with data, Tableau can't do anything. So first only it is asking for to connect. You may connect with some file, you may connect with some server also. File in the sense Excel file, text file, JSON file, CSV file, statistical file, like that, whatever the file. So what is the difference between file and server? Server will be secured one. To connect with any server, you must have some authentication process. And server in the sense, see, Tableau can connect with so many number of servers like this. Really, we don't know these many types of servers are there in the world. But mostly you will get your data in Oracle, SQL Server, Excel, MS Access. That's it. Most of the times you will get the data from Oracle, SQL Server, or Excel or MS Access. If you got other than that also, no problem at all, you can work on it. Right? So this is all about how to download your Tableau software. Right? And we have to see the first and foremost concept of Tableau desktop is connections. Right? So how to connect? I'm saying that you from here you can connect. But what is the way to connect? How to connect with a file? How to connect with a server? How to connect with different types of data sources? That is one concept. And how to connect with one data source in different ways? What is the difference did you find? How to connect with different data sources is one part. And how to connect with one data source in different ways. There are two ways of connections here, live and extract. What is live connection? What is extract connection? Right? And how to connect with different data sources in the sense how to connect with text file, how to connect with Excel file, how to connect with Oracle DB, like this. So this is all about connections. The first and foremost important concept in Tableau is connections. Right? So after that we will go with using that data to create visualizations. Right? And before going to that, we will have some small demo on our project also, so that you can understand our project data, so that you can work easily on it. And I will share that data also with you. No problem at all. You can work on it. Clear? So in this class, we have seen about some Tableau basic introduction and Tableau history and how to download and install that thing. Right? So in the next class, we are going to see how to connect different data sources and how to connect with one data source in different ways. As I told you, we are going to discuss about the connections just 2 classes. Yes, it will take just 2 classes to explain about all those connections. Clear? So if possible, if you are having your own laptop or PC with you, try to download this software for today. And within 14 days, okay, I will give you the key for you. Clear? Right? So, and your timing will be mostly decided today. It is 8 or 8:30 like that. Okay, so we will inform you. Right? Yes, thank you.